Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Zach. This is our last official lesson for our AP Calculus course. We're going to specifically discuss topics of your AP exam. I'm very excited and proud of you for completing all of that hard work that you have done this year. You should be proud of yourself. So let's take a close look at your AP exam. The reason we're looking at the topics is I want you to feel comfortable with all of the work that you've done. You have a lot of knowledge. You are excellent at limits. You know how to look at limits from tables. You are awesome at finding average rates of change, knowing the slope of the secant line versus the slope of the tangent line. Also, you are fabulous at estimating derivatives, the power rule, knowing your basic derivative rules, and also knowing the derivatives of our more interesting functions. You have dominated composite functions, finding the derivative of implicit functions, and those inverse functions that keep on showing up. You are excellent at solving straight line motion problems. Related rates you can do without any challenge at all. L'Hopital rule, you know exactly when to use that. For applications and differentiation, you know when to think about your concavity, when to talk about the second derivative test. Sketching graphs is just easy for you now, and you are an expert at optimization problems. Your integration is solid. You know that Riemann sum, summation notations, and the definite integral notation, how to use it and when to use it. The fundamental theorem of calculus, you make that look easy. You also know how to integrate using substitution, as well as just finding the antiderivatives of your basic integration rules. You make solving differential equations look easy, as well as finding particular solutions. And working with exponential models is not a challenge for you. You're awesome at working through the applications of integrations. Think about it. Average value of a function versus average rate of change. Those accumulation functions, piece of cake for you. And what about your area problems? Are you fabulous or what at solving these area problems? And then, of course, the volume problems. You make that look fairly easy as well. The AP exam is going to be given to you in two parts. Section 1 is all multiple choice. There are 45 questions, and this counts for 50% of your exam. Notice the graphing calculator is not used for the majority of your exam. You really need to be excellent at integrating and finding derivatives without a calculator. So it's required for 16.7 plus 16.7%. Now, when you are doing the graphing calculator section of your exam, know how to integrate and differentiate with your graphing calculator. The free response section has 6 questions, but look, those 6 questions are 50% of your score. The first 2 problems, you will be required to use your graphing calculator. Then you will have 4 questions without your graphing calculator. You will do a fantastic job on this AP exam. I'm really proud of all of the work that you have turned in. So with a little bit more practice, you will earn that 5. It's been a pleasure working with you, and I wish you much luck and happiness. Have a great day.